Hello, hello. Welcome back. Welcome to my apricot and honey rock cakes. Man, I can't believe I can even speak. I screamed my bloody lungs out last night. That was one of the best footy games I've seen in ages. Action-packed. I was on the edge of my seat right till the last minute. You cannot ask for more than that of your team. So, well done, Richmond. Okay, enough sooking. Let's start cooking. Alright, so what we need first of all is we need 1 cup of wholemeal self-raising flour and 1 cup of white self-raising flour. Now, if you don't have wholemeal, you can definitely use white, but as soon as you get a chance, grab a pack of wholemeal and give them a go because they're so yummy. Alright, so the first thing you do is you want to sift the 2 flours together in a bowl, okay? Then we need 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. We need 90 grams of butter, which you want to chop up in a bowl and get ready to go. We need 1/2 cup of chopped dried apricots, same thing, chop up your apricots, ready to go. We need 2 tablespoons of sultanas. We need 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of honey, which what we're going to do first is put an egg in the bowl, put the 2 tablespoons of honey in with the egg and mix it up really well together and set it aside. And we need 1/3 cup of milk. Alright, preheat our ovens to 190 degrees Celsius and get out some cookie trays with some baking paper. We're going to add our 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar, and we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're going to mix it really well. Now we're going to add the 90 grams of chopped butter, and we're going to rub it between our fingers and do that whole thing again until it's all like crumbs. Squeeze, squeeze and push, squeeze and push, squeeze and push. Now that is all rubbed in, we want to put our apricots, our sultanas, our egg and honey mixture, and our 1/3 cup of milk. And we want to mix it until it's just all combined well. You don't need to beat the crap out of it. Now we want to get a heap of spoonfuls, so like a normal spoon you'd eat your brekkie with. Alright, and we want to just put them on there nice and roughly like this. That's how a rock cake should look. Give them a little room to spread. I'm just going to do 6 on a tray. Now we're going to bang them in. I think it was 15 to 20 minutes. It's been a while. I will let you know in a few seconds exactly how long they took in my electric oven. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my god, mate. It smells awesome up in here. Exactly 15 minutes in my electric oven. Oh yeah. Alright, just put them out onto a bench or onto your drying cooling rack thingy and let them go completely cold. So 15 minutes, I did them in 2 lots, made 12. Yum. Apricot and honey rock cakes. Can't go wrong, can you? I'm going to enjoy these with a cuppa. Oi, thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves a great day. I'm going back to baking now, so I won't be long, and I'll see you soon. Bye.